Hey Cool Beans family, it's Miss Marissa and and today we're going to be doing a fun new experiment called pendulum painting. For this project you'll need a couple items: a sheet of paper, some tape, a water bottle cut in half, some string, and a sturdy item to suspend your water bottle from. In this case, I'm using an easel, but some other options for you could be a ladder, 2 chairs with a broomstick going across, anything that's sturdy enough that will allow your water bottle to spin freely. For my water bottle, I just cut it in half, poked 4 holes through the top, and then a hole right here on the cap that will allow the paint to come out. After I poked the holes through the top, I just put some string in there, knotted it up, and then tied it together on my easel. All right, so for the first step, I'm going to need my handy Spider-Man to help me. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna pour some paint into our water bottle. Squeeze it with your Spider-Man string. Squeeze. Good job. All right, now we're just gonna thin that paint out with a little bit of water. Just a little bit. And mix it up. While we were pouring the paint inside the water bottle, we just placed a piece of tape over the cap just so the paint didn't spill out when we don't want it to. All right, Spider-Man, you ready?
Yes.
All right, and give it a swing.
It's in Spider-Man dance. Oh yeah, oh yeah.